Today my students are going to explain about the historical review of privacy and security. Her name is Aparna. She is going to explain about it.
So hello everyone. Today I am here to explain about historical review of privacy and security. So what is mean by privacy? So privacy is something which we consider as our thing and the right to be not shared. Okay. So it is a right to control of personal data. In simple words, privacy refers to the right to control our private data. So what does mean by security? So security means protection against unauthorized access. So we will give access only to our peoples and on whom we belong to and whom we trust. We trust them. So security refers to the access we given to our only authorized peoples. So historical review of privacy and security, we have various eras. Firstly, we have ancient era, which is before 1700. And second, the legal birth of privacy. The actual birth of privacy was between the year 1700 to 1080s. I mean 17th to 18th century. Then third, the computer and war, the era period, right, refers to the war. When the war started and actual computers began evolving. That era was 19th to 20th century. And 19 to mid 20s. After that, digital awakening. The actual need of privacy among the digital era was begun in the year 1970s to 1990s. So the actual internet and network boom after we all birth only, which is year of 2000 to 2005. So the AI era, which era it comes from 2005 to up to date. So here before now 1700, what does people know what about privacy or something? Security means what do they know? Do we have any cell phones or internets? We don't have that. But where it all started means before 1700, people used to send messages through letters, right? Postcards, likewise. Those times they will have a wax. You know, wax means what you know, right? So that wax they will use as a protection for privacy, which they will seal at the backward. We have seen in a lot of cartoons, right? They'll have a seal and different types of seals. I mean the wax seals. So if the wax seals got broken means they will think that somebody has read the letter. If you are sending a letter to a person whom you, for your parents or for somebody else, that time if you have sealed that and if the seal has broken means what you will think? Somebody has opened the letter and without your permission they have read. And you all have practice of writing your personal diaries, right? You will have a personal diary where you will write all about yourself and all your theft activities. So that you will have a separate lock and key for that, right? So that's where privacy began before 1700 era and all. Okay. So security where it belongs means where? So in that era we have no internet and no hacking, but only spying. Okay. So after 1700 to 2800, the era began with the evolution of founding of the computers. After that, the wars. They have a system called Enigma machine. In that machine, they used to send an encryption code. Have an Enigma machine where they will send a code like we have some code within ourselves, right? Secret codes. That codes will be. So after that, during these eras, all became digitalized. Even government has all our IDs like Aadhaar cards and the census they take. Everything was under government's control and all became digitalized era, right? So that time security and privacy plays a vital role where data is everything, data is money. So if a company has been or a hospital has been affected by data breach means they'll have millions and lakhs of loss in their hospital field. So that's where privacy and security plays a vital role. So nowadays you can't even walk happily with your amount also. You have NFC cards right in your ATM cards. We can easily tap with the flipper devices and we can easily capture your information and we can use it for any purposes also. So nowadays hackers are everywhere, malicious threats are everywhere. So it is safe for you to use 2FA. So what is 2FA? It's like a second lock for your privacy. What is a lock? It protects yourself. But what if the lock doesn't work properly? You need another lock to lock that lock, right? So that's where 2FA helps you. It's like always giving you a password and after that it gives you any 2FA means your privacy or data breaches will be at risk. So this is the historical previous previews of privacy and security. So hope you all understood. Thank you.